Yeah, dealing with death, I would like to start off by saying that first of all, I want to look at from the point of view as you are the one that is going to pass away, or that is likely to die. Um, Based on what I've seen now in the recent times, is first of all, you must make sure that everything from your side is ready. Make sure that your testament is in order. Make sure that it's a legal binding testament. Make sure that you have appointed a person that can actually, executor that can actually see to it that your wishes are adhered to and seen to. So it's very important for you, facing death or looking at the possibility of death, to prepare and to make sure that all the nitty-gritties are in place. Make sure that your policies is up to date. Make sure that, like I said, like your testament is ready and available, and that the person that is responsible for the executor of the estate, to know where the testament is and what your wishes are. It just makes it that much easier for the ones that remain behind. It just takes out the guesswork and the uncertainty as far as that is concerned. So please do make sure that you as an individual, your stuff is ready. Since the passing of my father-in-law, we have made sure that our testament is in place, and then also I know for a fact that my father and mother also made sure that theirs is in place. So just be aware of the fact that it is a good idea to ensure that your policies and your testament and your stuff is ready.